Big Bird's favorite party games. Oh, hi! Hey, I'm glad you're here, because we're going to have a terrific party. Well, we've got everything we need to get started. We've got decorations, the Sesame Street gang, and all of you. And I know a lot of games to play, so which one should we play first? What's first?
How about the clap your hands game?
Oh, that's a great idea, Gina. Okay. That's a great idea, because that's my favorite game. How do you play that?
Rhythm, all songs have a beat. All songs have everything you need to move your hands and feet. Ready? So everybody can clap. Tap, tap, tap a song along. We can have fun together. Everybody got it? Okay, so when I say clap, we clap. When I say snap, we snap. And then when I say tap, we tap. Okay? Everybody got it? This song has a rhythm. This song has a beat. This song has everything we need to move our hands and feet. Ready? Everybody can clap. Everybody can clap. We can have fun together. We can have fun together. We can have fun together.
Yeah! You know, that song is my favorite.
Like that. Okay. But what we're going to do is point them to the ground. That's the first thing. Let me see your points. I'll go round, round, and round. Oh, that's great. Okay, now, you ready? We're going to reach for the sky just as high as you can. Now, everybody pretend to fly. You can be a bird, you can be a plane, I don't care. Okay, but let's hear some good flying noises. Okay, good. All right. All right, you ready there? Get these fingers. Point your fingers to the ground. Which fingers? Make your hands go round and round. Everybody fly. Okay, keep flying. Yeah, come on. Point your fingers, you know where. Hands go here and hands go there. Reach way up high. Everybody fly. Right, George, I think you've got it. You know just what to do. I want you to try it without my telling you. Get these fingers going. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, land.
That's my favorite.
Okay, I've put it on. Hey, wait a minute. I got a good one. How about we play head, shoulders, knees, and toes? Oh, yeah. Hey, come on. All right, everybody do it, all right?
Ready?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears, a mouth and nose. Head, knees and toes.
That was really good. Here we go. A little faster.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
That was terrific. Let's do it faster.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
All right, let's do it faster. Ready?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears, mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears, mouth and nose. Knees and toes.
Hey, everybody! I don't suppose anybody wants to play Wheels on the Bus. No. Really? All right, good. We gotta make a bus here. Yeah, this will be the back of the bus.
Right over here, huh?
Big Bird, you're in back and you're the bumper, okay? Yeah. And you people at home, get a chair. You can join in. Yeah, all right, here we go.
Everybody ready to go
for riding a bus? Yeah. Okay, get your wheels going. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round.
All right, I got one. The horn.
The horn?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All around the town.
Swish, 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 swish.
Hey, I want to do one. The kids on the bus go up and down. Everybody? Okay.
Kids on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. Kids on the bus go up and down, all around the town.
Okay,
The babies on the bus go wham, 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 all around the town.
finally the bus is out of gas,
Out of gas, out of gas.
finally the bus is out of gas.
All around.
Hey, Telly?
Huh?
Why did we stop?
The bus is out of gas.
Oh.
I got one!
Oh, I'm scared.
I've got a great. You know that one about the cabin? The cabin, cabin in the woods? You know that one, the cabin in the woods?
I remember that.
Through all those going on. And he's gonna say, help!
Knocking by, knocking at the door.
Help! Now this time we don't sing cabin or window, just the picture, okay? Got it? Here we go.
Saw a rabbit hopping by, knocking at the door. Help me, the rabbit cried. Come, little rabbit, come inside. I'll take care of you. I'll take care of you.
Hey, look, everybody. Hey, look. The honker and ding are here, and they want to tell us something. Oh, good. Hey, I can speak both honk and ding, and they want us to play a game called Stop.
Oh, okay, listen. Okay, when you hear a sound like dinger, go ahead. Hear that sound, pretend like you're swimming in the ocean or that you're a monster or something, okay? Okay, you got that? And then when you hear the other sound, honker, you hear that, you stop and you freeze and you don't move, okay? Like, so when you hear the ding, what are you gonna do? Right. And then when you hear the honker,
You heard what Gina said, right? When you hear the ding, you're really going at it and you're having a ball. And
We're jumping up and down. We're scaring everyone in town. We're making lots of noises.
Feeling just as happy as a birdie can feel. You're never coming down. Don't move up. Stop!
All right. Yes, I like that.
Oh, that was great. You know, this sure has been a swell party, and these games are fun. You know. Yeah.
so big.
Oh well. Which game is my favorite? That's easy. Gee, could we play them all again?